Hello YouTube and to everyone living up on Cloud 9. I go by the name of Cloud White, and today I'm going to show you how to pledge Metaclan, which is the crypto native esports DAO, and join the revolution. Alright, so you're probably asking yourself, Cloud White, what the hell is Metaclan and an esports DAO? Well, it's all very cutting edge, and let's just take a little quick peek here at their introduction that they wrote up so that you and I can learn a little bit about what we're getting into here. So, Metaclan is a crypto-native esports clan focused on enhanced play-to-earn mechanics that unlock value for developers, players, and spectators alike. Everyone wins. The mission. Metaclan is a collective of crypto gamers, technologists, and developers focused on delivering exceptional experiences through a next-generation video game guild. I'm down with that. We aim to create decentralized mechanisms through which esports communities can come together across multiple NFT-based games. Players will share insights, value, and skills to drive the Web3 gaming space forward. Down with that. By working directly with both players and developers, Metaclan stands to stimulate growth of individual gaming communities as well as the broader Web3 gaming ecosystem. Boom, baby. Alright, this is the first esports DAO. Metaclan aims to attract the most talented Web3 gamers and support them in completing the most difficult challenges, competing at the highest level, and earning the rarest NFT loot. Why Metaclan? Okay. The War Chest. An on-chain treasury management contract responsible for storing all Metaclan's assets. We envision a system in which Metaclan shares represent a pro rata claim on all assets stored in the War Chest. For scarce items such as an in-game NFT, the DAO plans to create fractionalized shares of various assets, effectively allowing stakeholders to share ownership of the most valuable items. I'm also very down with that. It might be how I end up getting myself a triple or a quad Mystic Axie, getting myself a little fractional piece. And if you watch the channel, you know I love fractional ownership. I don't need to own it all, baby. I just need to own a little bit of piece of it in my head. Alright, player staking. Metaclan will provide financial resources for gamers to explore various crypto games at the highest level. Alright, very cool. Bounties. Metaclan plans to offer a wide array of bounties by working directly with blockchain gaming companies. Similar to Coinbase, earn mechanics, higher-end bounty payouts are likely to require screen recordings and detailed voice commentaries to provide the most tangible feedback to game developers. Alright, that's cool. In conclusion, Metaclan creates a trustless environment for developers to benefit from players teaming up without writing guild software. In this sense, we create a robust foundation from which blockchain games can bootstrap popularity in a novel way, and for our players, the same is true. Alright, baby, I like it. So let's see how we can get involved here. Here's an article by Metaclan called Prepare for Takeoff. They're going to unveil some of the next steps here. This was on March 30th. So there's a little introduction article. They talk about the various roles. So there's Guardians, there's Commanders, X-Human, shout out X-Human. He is listed under the, it looks like a Commander role here. One of the big Axie Infinity players. He was also featured in Bankless. That's right, we did a little blurb on his article in a previous video. There are Lords, there are Summoners, and looks like that. So there's various roles that you can get involved with. Parameters of Metaclan include minimum Guardian tribute size 25 die, minimum Lord tribute size 250 die, voting period 5 days, grace period 5 days, rage quit enabled, guild kick enabled. We seek to make Metaclan as accessible as possible. With this, Metaclan will seek to enable membership proposals funded by NFTs as well as DAI. Alright, we expect the new proposals will be sponsored by Summoners and Commanders at inception, with the intent to allow any DAO member to sponsor new proposals over time. The first quest involves Axie Infinity. That's going to be dope. But I'm ready, baby. I'm ready to pledge. So let's do it. Metaclan rises. Alright, okay. I'm ready for the nitty gritty here. Let's pledge. Let's pledge Metaclan, y'all. Let's see here if I can get down to the instructions. DAO members are eligible to receive exclusive benefits like top tier loadouts to dominant crypto games, loot crates for quests, access to strategic guides on how to compete at a high level, direct communication with game-specific experts, key to auctions for valuable treasure. Alright, I'm game. I'm ready. Joining Metaclan. For those who are new to DAOs, joining Metaclan requires a Web3 wallet like MetaMask, check, $1 in ETH to cover transaction costs, and DAI to pledge as tribute. You've chosen to use DAI as our primary currency to help mitigate price volatility. Makes sense to me. Alright, let's acquire some DAI using Uniswap or KyberSwap. If you have trouble, please reach out on Discord. Let's go ahead and get some DAI from Uniswap first. I am going to want 2 shares, so I'm going to see if I can get 50 DAI here. We'll input ETH, output, we want DAI. We'll do 55 just in case there's some stupid transaction thing, but alright, let's swap it. MetaMask window is gonna come up here. Bum bada bum. Confirm. Let's go ahead. While it's going through, let's see what the next step is here. Alright, getting started. Gain access to the DAO. Simply visit this link and do the following. Step 1, top right, sign in to MetaMask. Select proposal. Okay, so let's go ahead. We'll go to Metaclan. I am signed in. Here's my account. Go down here to proposal, new proposal. All right, I believe I want member, but let's just check. New proposal on select member. Okay. New member proposal, title, short description, link, shares requested, token tribute. Title, enter your name or username. Cloud White Ventures. Okay. Description, anything you believe is relevant to why you should be accepted to the DAO. The shorter the description, the better. And the important piece here is the amount of shares you are asking for, which lets us make sure you pledge the correct amount of DAI. Okay, well, early Axie Infinity Adopter, largest Savannah land holder. All right, link. For the link, let's go ahead. Let's throw the YouTube on there. Cloud White Ventures, YouTube. Here we go. Copy, Metaclan, link, shares requested, 2, token tribute, 50. All right, now they want me to unlock that there. Transaction fee, confirm. Okay. My transaction did go through for the DAI. I have 2 shares. Token tribute is 50 DAI. Let's go ahead and submit. Let's go, baby. Okay, so what we're doing now is we're waiting for a member of Metaclan to essentially sponsor our proposal here. And if they sponsor it, then we should be put here on this voting period list. And so we'll keep an eye for that to happen. Hopefully it happens. Hopefully it comes up. We'll see. I was just informed that it's gonna take a day or 2 for all of this to process. So maybe we'll do an update to this after everything's processed. We'll see how it goes. We'll see if I am accepted into the clan. It's now 24 hours later and I just wanted to give an update on where my Metaclan proposal is. So it has now officially moved into the voting period, and let's see if I can find it here. Cloud White Ventures, there it is, for my 2 shares, and it does look like I have 1 vote here. So in about 1 day the voting will end, and I'll come back and I'll do another update, but then I should move into the grace period and ready for processing, and hopefully we'll have this whole thing completed in a couple days here. I'll keep you guys updated. In the voting period, then it was another, I believe, 2 days till we got to the grace period, and then we were ready for processing, and now we are in the completed section. So as far as I understand, we're officially part of the Metaclan. We're on it, baby. We did it. Here we are. It is that easy. All in all, it did take about 5 days from the day that we submitted our proposal until we were officially cleared and recognized as part of the clan, I guess. But not too bad at all. A couple of updates here that I've learned over the last couple days regarding Metaclan. I will bring you into this Medium article here really quick, which does discuss the first Axie breeding tournament that's happening with Metaclan. We're actually going to be doing some coverage of this event where they're going to be giving away $350 worth of prizes. So in 2 weeks, when this event ends, we'll be doing a live broadcast of kind of how this all turned out. I'm not going to get too in-depth about this tournament because I just want to keep this video about pledging Metaclan. But this is officially the first tournament, and we will have some more updates regarding that in the near future. So, as always, if you did enjoy this video, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, you are not on planet Earth, or there's something wrong with you, we should get you to a hospital ASAP. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell, and we'll be sure to see you next time we, I don't know, have some bullshit to talk about. Until then, peace.